QSL, KB3VXB here in the mobile outside the Home Depot. I'm about ready to go inside and exchange this meter here, what is it called, to check the voltage and stuff. So yeah, I hope they're gonna put on this radio 380 tools, and you can see all the call sign and everything. Man, that would be really, really, really nice. And if I will be the company producing those radio, I will contact that guy who invented the 380 and pay him good money, because it will transform this radio in a monster. Alright, I'll listen out, and I'm gonna go inside, and I'll catch you guys in a bit if you're around.